Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, hi, my name is Anushka and this is my YouTube channel. Today's video is so exciting, so special and so close to my heart, and I cannot wait to take you guys along with me through this journey of mine. So title को पढ़ के तो आप लोगों ने समझ लिया होगा कि मैं किसकी बात कर रही हूँ. If not, let me just quickly explain. I'm really getting late. It's only 25 minutes left for me to get ready, but I am going to my first ever event as an influencer slash content creator. This is sort of a pinch me moment because I had actually manifested for this. Fingers crossed, everything should go well today. I'm kind of excited and nervous at the same time because there will be a lot of people, and I am an extrovert and an introvert at the same time. So I don't know how to express when there are a lot of people. But yeah, I'm just excited for the opportunity. And the brand that is hosting the event is CeraVe India. I am literally so excited. I'm literally crying happy tears. My makeup is all done. I kept it glam and good, like no patchy work. Now the theme for the event is white and blue. I'm gonna style my white fitted shirt. I'm having bell bottom denims, so I'm gonna wear that नीचे. And yeah, let's get ready. बहुत vlog में बकबक करने वाली हूँ, so please make sure you with your drinks and with your popcorn and everything. You're just sitting आराम से, you watching my video, and I'm gonna share my entire experience at the end of this video. So keep watching. This is the shirt that I have. This is kind of a fitted shirt. This is from Zudio actually. That I'm gonna style with these bell bottom denims that I have. These are in dark blue color. I really wanted like a good dark blue denim in my wardrobe. So I got this again from Zudio and their denim quality is a 10 on 10. My makeup's actually done. I know मैं ये दूसरी बार बोल रही हूँ but क्या करूँ. For the jewelry I have a lot of options. वो भी मैं आप लोगों को दिखाऊंगी. So let me wear this and get back. I'm ready, you guys. I have to open my hair. But this is what I'm wearing. These are the water drop hoops that are very trendy. This is like a 2-layer necklace. This is from H&M. These stacks of bracelets. I love stacking bracelets, kadas and all that. So yeah, this is it. And I also got my gel polish nails done. This is in the light pink color if you can't see. I am all ready. Now I'm wearing my Nike shoes जो normal में पहनती हूँ black वाले वो. I'm good to go. And मुझे बाल खोलने हैं. And पता नहीं मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ बालों का, but yeah, let's see. Okay, this is the hairstyle that I've done. ये मेरे ना 2 gold bob pins actually बहुत सारे, but I managed to do this hairstyle somehow, and this is the only hairstyle that suits me. So how do I look? Let me know in the comments, and I will directly see you in the bus. I'm going by the bus, and it's gonna be a fun yet a very nervous ride. I have successfully left. मम्मा ने पानी की बोतल दी, मम्मा ने सब कुछ मुझे ध्यान में रखने बोला है, और दिस इज़ माई टोट बैग. नाउ लेट्स गो. वी आर गेटिंग रियली लेट. 10 मिनट ही बचा है मुझे ये बस बोर्ड करने में. आई एम एक्साइटेड, नर्वस. मैं स्कूल की बच्ची लग रही हूँ यार. ओके, लेट मी सी यू इन द बस. Guys, I'm in the rickshaw right now. I don't know if you can hear me, but I've tied my hair because my hair is becoming a mess. So I've tied them. Feel like I'm so tired already. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the event, and I'm feeling nervous as well. I just hope that everything goes well. I don't know, there's just nervousness that I have, and the excitement as well to meet new people. Then the introvert mind is very, but let's go and let's see what happens. Guys, I am at the venue already, and it's beautiful. I mean, I haven't been introduced to much of the people, but it's nice for now. And yeah, I'm just looking around and then clicking pictures and all of that, and I'm a bit awkward, but we're good. Also, my lip color is slightly fading, but it's fine. I mean, I love the lip color though. I'm this is my outfit. I haven't shown you guys my full outfit, but yeah, this is it, and I am very excited for what's coming up next. I know I did show you guys my nails, but I'm literally so obsessed with these, and also my stack, so obsessed. Guys, I am back from the shoot, and I mean, this was an event, I would say, but I am actually so hungry कि मैं कुछ बोल नहीं पा रही हूँ अभी. I've got a goodie bag also जो हम घर जाके unbox करेंगे, and I've also got some more things in store for you guys. So हम घर जाके सब unbox करके मैं आप लोगों को दिखाऊंगी पूरा. But for now, I'm just too hungry and I'm finding something to eat. So let's go to McD because it's my comfort spot. I don't know if you can hear me, but my phone is on charging. It was on 6%. मेरा phone डब्बा हो चुका है. I had to put it on charge. But yeah, I am just so hungry that I can't speak anymore. But it was not an event. It was not to be called an event. But it is sort of a shoot thing जहाँ पे you shoot and then they give you the goodie bag and all of that. So it's not to be called as an event. I don't know. But yeah, let's see. Let's go to McD. McD people are literally so cute. Let me show you what they have in for me. They have this good afternoon, have a nice day written for me. Oh, I am so hungry. Hi guys, I am back. I still do not know if you can hear me, but I will sit and properly explain you guys what my experience was, how it was, and everything that went behind. And yeah, I'm just very tired at the moment. Not very thirsty because I had water, I had my food, but then I'm just very lazy and tired now. So let me get home and then I shall chit chat with you guys. Let me quickly show you guys what my outfit looks like. Where is the sun? Where is the sun? Oh my god. Okay, hi. Let me quickly show you guys what my outfit looks like. This is my shirt, fitted shirt, and these are the bell-bottom jeans that I told you guys I got from Zudio. This is the goodie bag. So excited to show you what's in there. Let's go home now. Hi guys, it's the next day and I know that I couldn't shoot yesterday because I was so tired. My legs were hurting, my back was paining, everything. मैं 6 बजे उठी थी and I don't wake up as early as 6 or 5. But today I thought of letting you guys know what my experience was, how I felt after my very first event, and obviously what's in my goodie bag because you guys definitely want to know what is there in the goodie bag. मैंने कल Instagram पे story डाली तो मुझे इतने सारे लोगों ने बोला कि goodie bag में क्या है दिखा दो, haul कर दो please. I was like, okay, I will include this in my YouTube video. So let's get started. Now we have our goodie bag right here. There are a lot of things inside that I want to show you guys, but before that, let me just give you a gist, or let me just brief you about how my experience was at the event. So starting off with the location. The location wasn't that great because it was like a studio or something, and it was a fully studio type setup and lightings and all of that. So I wouldn't say the location was really very apt. I feel like they could have done better with the location. Maybe a hotel or maybe something or the other, but not a studio. So let me give you a gist. The CeraVe event that I attended was sort of a collab as well. At the end, I had to give them the deliverables, the reel. So the media who had contacted me for the event, they shot my content, and there were these booths of CeraVe kept just in the studio, and also they had their two newly launched products. So I was testing them, I was giving them a genuine review, and then I had some product shots with that, and then I just had to roam around. There were some snacks provided to us. Overall, I would give this like a 7 or 8 on 10. I wouldn't give it a 10 on 10 because, firstly, the location. Secondly, I was told that it was like a brunch come event, but there was no brunch. It was just light snacks that were given. So that disappointed influencers so much. But later on, I thought the brunch meant the timing, so I did not focus on that more. But then the location was one factor that disappointed me a lot. Next up is my outfit. I did not like my outfit so much because I'm not like a shirt girl through and through. I don't like shirts on me. I don't know why. I don't know what, but I just don't like the fact that shirts do not fit me so well. But then the only option that I had was the shirt. But I think the event overall was just fine. The brand had given me an opportunity to try their new product. It was just okay. I mean, this is my honest feedback, okay? I never share so much on social media, but YouTube is like my comfort zone. So I keep on sharing everything on YouTube, as you guys know. So yeah, I think I would give this event like a 7 on 10. Yeah, 7 on 10. So here we have our goodie bag. Now I understood as this event proceeded that every event that you attend, you definitely get a goodie bag of all the goodies or all the newly launched products that you have been a part of. So yeah, let's just unbox. I'm so excited. The very first product is this CeraVe's facial moisturizing lotion के साथ साथ they also have SPF 50 in it, which is such a good thing. Let me show you guys what this product looks like. It's like a moisturizing lotion, and it looks somewhat like this. There's a pump here. You can just pump the lotion out, and it's so cute. The packaging is everything. I love the packaging. Next up we have is a CeraVe's hydrating cleanser for normal to dry skin. Last time भी मुझे PR package में ये मिला था, and I had given it away because I am not a dry skin person. Next up is again a newly launched. This is the smoothing cleanser, and the packaging is to die for. It's so cute. Like, I love the color. It's like a pastel kind of blue. This cleanser says that it is for dry and bumpy skin, but also at the back it is written that it is suitable for sensitive skin, so I might give it a try. The last product on the list is this tub. I've been wanting a moisturizing tub for a very long time, and I think I have got my hands on this one. This is a CeraVe's moisturizing cream tub. It's for dry to very dry skin again. I love how the tub is. It's so cute, and look at the amount of moisturizer it contains. Yeah, I think I'll moisturize my skin even better now. There's 4 products in the goodie bag. Before I end this video, I really want to take a moment to thank all of the brands that have worked with me in the past, and especially CeraVe, because I have already collaborated with them and they invited me to an event where I got to try the newly launched products, and I'm so happy. I really wanted to make a thing that I shoot this entire process or this entire experience of mine where I'm attending my first ever event, and I am so blessed, so grateful. Thank you so much for watching. In case you're new here and you're watching me for the first time, hi, I'm Anushka, and I hope you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!